If you're looking for ways to save money on your next domain, hosting, or website purchase, then in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo codes for Namecheap quickly and easily. This is a simple method, and the best part is that you can check the current offers directly on the Namecheap website before you buy. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. Namecheap often highlights deals and discounts right on the site, so you don't need to waste time searching all over the internet. Next, scroll down the page until you find the promo section. This is where Namecheap displays its current promotional offers, discounts, and available codes. When you click Promos, you'll be taken to a page where you can see all of the offers that are working at the moment. This is really useful because it helps you avoid expired codes and focus only on deals that are actually valid. Take your time and browse through the available promos. You may see discounts for domains, hosting, email, or other Namecheap services. Once you find an offer that works for what you need, simply choose the one you want to use. From there, apply the promo code or select the deal, then continue with your purchase as normal. Double-check that the discount is showing before you complete checkout, so you know the promo has been applied correctly. After that, finish your order, and that's it. You've successfully used a Namecheap promo code. It really is that straightforward. No complicated steps, no extra tools, and no need to hunt through random coupon websites that may not be updated. If this video helped you save some money, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.